Hello, this is Amy Cohen, and you are listening to Step 6, Ace Every Job Interview. This is Step 6 of the 7-step job search success system, and this is all about how to nail each and every job interview that you have, because that's where you get the job offer. You are right there, you are about to cross the finish line, and the job interview is how you make it happen. So here's the truth about interviewing, is that people hire people that they like. No question. So yes, there's going to be a lot of focus on what you say, but as we've talked about many times, it is that likability. People hire people that they like, and that decision is made in the first 90 seconds. So remember the 5 steps to a successful interview? That decision is made in those first 2 steps, in the introduction and in the rapport building. It is chemistry. It is biology. It is that gut feeling, that instinct of whether or not you like somebody in the first few seconds. Whether it's an interview, whether it's a colleague, a coworker, a new friend, somebody you're dating, somebody you're not dating. You know, that is how quickly you know. And if you think about it too, rarely are you wrong. Because it's just sort of an organic, natural, authentic thing that happens between 2 people. And so it's really hard to fake. But you can mess it up in terms of if you don't bring your authentic self to the interview. And you are much more likely to bring your authentic self to the interview, and your personality and your sense of humor even, and your calm and your confidence and all of those weapons, if you are not hyper-focusing on what you want to say. That's where people make the mistake, because they are consumed with going through that mental Rolodex and trying to come up with the anecdotes and the examples and the exact words that they want to use. If you plan all that out ahead of time and walk in with a clear head, then you can let everything else shine. So your chances of building that rapport and having somebody like you in that first 90 seconds has now skyrocketed.